The information provided by Crypto Daily Sun and this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. Crypto Daily Sun is not a licensed financial advisor or investment professional. The content presented does not constitute financial, investment, or legal advice. Before making any financial decisions, it is strongly recommended that you seek advice from a qualified financial advisor or investment professional who can provide personalized guidance based on your individual circumstances. Investing in cryptocurrencies and other financial instruments involves significant risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and there is no guarantee that any investment strategy will achieve its objectives. Crypto Daily Sun and this channel are not responsible for any losses or damages arising from the use of this information or from any decisions made based on the content provided. Always conduct your own research and consider your financial situation, risk tolerance, and investment goals before making any investment decisions.
Welcome to our latest video where we're delving into one of the most crucial but often overlooked aspects of cryptocurrency investing: legal and regulatory awareness. In the rapidly evolving world of crypto, staying informed about the legal landscape is essential for protecting yourself and your investments. Today, we'll explore why understanding and complying with local regulations is critical and why seeking professional advice could be your best move. Stay legal. Compliance is key. As cryptocurrencies continue to gain popularity, governments and regulatory bodies worldwide are scrambling to keep up. This means that the legal environment surrounding cryptocurrency is complex and varies significantly from one country to another. Here's why staying legal should be at the top of your priority list. Understanding local regulations. Every country has its own set of rules and regulations regarding cryptocurrency trading and investment. These regulations can cover a wide range of issues, including taxation, anti-money laundering, AML, laws, and financial reporting requirements. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with the specific laws in your country to avoid legal pitfalls. For example, some countries might require you to report your crypto holdings or pay taxes on gains, while others may have stricter regulations or outright bans. Avoiding legal consequences. Failure to comply with local regulations can result in severe consequences, including fines, legal actions, or even criminal charges. Regulatory bodies are increasingly cracking down on non-compliant activities in the crypto space. By staying informed and adhering to the rules, you can avoid these risks and ensure that your investments remain secure and legitimate. Maintaining transparency. Many jurisdictions require cryptocurrency traders and investors to maintain transparency in their transactions. This means keeping accurate records of your trades, investments, and income. Transparent practices not only help you stay compliant but also build trust with regulatory authorities and financial institutions. Consult professionals. Expert advice matters. Navigating the legal and regulatory landscape of cryptocurrency can be challenging, especially if you're new to the space. This is where consulting professionals can make a significant difference. Here's why seeking advice from financial advisors or legal experts who specialize in cryptocurrency is a smart move. Expert guidance. Financial advisors with experience in cryptocurrency can provide valuable insights into managing your investments within the bounds of the law. They can help you understand complex tax implications, advise on investment strategies, and ensure you're compliant with local regulations. Legal expertise. Legal experts specializing in cryptocurrency law can offer guidance on regulatory compliance, help you navigate legal challenges, and provide support in case of disputes. Their expertise can be invaluable in ensuring that your activities adhere to legal standards and protect you from potential legal issues. Risk mitigation. Professional advisors can assist in identifying and mitigating potential risks associated with cryptocurrency investments. They can help you develop strategies to minimize legal and financial risks, ensuring that your investments are both profitable and compliant. Up-to-date information. Cryptocurrency regulations are constantly evolving. Professionals in the field stay abreast of the latest changes and developments, providing you with up-to-date information and advice. This can be crucial for adapting your investment strategies and maintaining compliance with new regulations. Avoiding common pitfalls. Many investors overlook the importance of legal and regulatory awareness, which can lead to costly mistakes. Here's how to avoid common pitfalls. Neglecting compliance. Failing to comply with local regulations can lead to legal troubles and financial penalties. Ensure that you're well informed about the rules governing cryptocurrency in your country and take the necessary steps to comply. Inadequate record keeping. Poor record keeping can result in difficulties during audits or legal investigations. Maintain detailed records of your cryptocurrency transactions, including dates, amounts, and counterparties, to ensure transparency and compliance. Ignoring professional advice. Attempting to navigate the complex legal landscape without professional help can be risky. Seek advice from qualified financial and legal experts to ensure that you're making informed decisions and staying within the bounds of the law. In summary, understanding and complying with legal and regulatory requirements is essential for successful cryptocurrency investing. By staying informed about local regulations and consulting professionals when needed, you can protect yourself from legal issues and ensure that your investments are both profitable and compliant. Don't overlook the importance of legal awareness. It's a critical component of a successful and secure crypto investment strategy.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the rest of my channel for more great content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to me. See you in the next video.